So we're out here with the AstroRC AirTank25 and we're going to give this a go and a run for its money. As you can see, we are actually back at the field because all the works have been removed and we're able to go back to the field and fly around the tree again. It's been too long that we've been able to do this properly. But let's give this a go, let's see what it's like. This is the one I'm really excited about because it's super cheap, 2.5 inch and 4S. It should be pretty spectacular, but let's find out. There's only one way to find out. Let's freaking go!
Even louder!
Wow, AstroRC AirTank25. This is the one I'm excited about. This is coming in at under 100 quid.
Finally, I can go back to the gate to record.
BoyWonder's going to go to the gate and try and get us some footage. But this 4S 1404 motors, I expect not to fly like it's ducted, and I'll be honest, it doesn't feel ducted. Let's give BoyWonder a flyby. Ready for the Karen noise test?
Oh yeah!
Oh man, it's good to be back at the tree, I've got to admit. It has forced us to find other flying locations, which has been pretty cool. But it is good to be back to our origins again. Just in time for the summer, hopefully. Or just in time for the spring, indeed. Don't know what that was. Try that again. And again, I don't know what that was. I can do another flyby, of course I can, sir. So this is exactly 250 grams in this, well, 249.9 grams in this configuration. I probably scared BoyWonder to death. Did you like that? Yeah, this is the one. Of all of the, well, I've not flown the 3 inch yet. But this is the one. Oh, this is the one. I'm gonna come back and land.
Okay. Yep. Going back to the gate.
Alright, I'm gonna try and pull a trick underneath the tree. It's been a while since I've done this. But we've done it. On the first try. Now I can't kill this battery too much, because BoyWonder wants to do a hand takeoff. And I promise I'm not going to scream on this one. Yeah, this is the one. I really do like this 2.5 inch to 3.5 inch size, but 2.5 inch. On a 4S, 1404s just seem to be the real sweet spot. 1804 and a 3.5 inch is also pretty cool if it's lightweight, sub 250, but this is really good. And for the price, like I said, it's less than 100 quid without the 04 Pro. Once you factor that in, you're paying like 90 quid for this drone. It's mental. Right, I'm going to come back and land it, even though I've still got 3.8 volts remaining. It's not a very thirsty thing. I'm going to fly past you first, 1.5 minutes flight time. Is he filming? Are you filming? BoyWonder FPV, AstroRC AirTank25 takeoff. I promise not to scream this time. Let's freaking go! I'm sorry, I lied. BoyWonder, we're back at the field. Does it feel good to be back at the field?
Hell yeah, baby.
Now, you're flying the AstroRC AirTank25. I'm trying to get you on the camera. There he is. What do you think of it?
Pretty fun. It is I would say it's the same loudness as the 45, was it?
35.
35, yeah.
I think it's a lot quieter. But my question to you is, does it feel like it's got ducks or not? Because to me, it flies virtually like it doesn't have any ducks. It flies so well.
Yeah. Just feel like it has no ducks.
BoyWonder FPV approved? I don't even know where you've gone. I mean, I know where you've gone.
I just flew straight up, bro.
I just don't know where you've gone on the camera. There it is.
I don't know how you didn't know where I went on the camera. I flew straight up, bro.
What's your battery at, lad? Stop giving lip.
3.55.
Alright, probably come back and land it then. Is it BoyWonder FPV approved?
Yeah.
Alright, sick. Goodbye, battery. It's been nice knowing you. So that was the initial impression, first look, maiden flight, do whatever, say whatever you want to call it, of the AstroRC AirTank25. And exactly as I thought, this is probably going to be the one of all three of them that's going to impress me the most. It's lightweight, it's quick, it's responsive, it's easy on the battery, and it flies super, super well. I'm going to have a full review out, obviously, during the week, so stick with us. But for the initial flight and the initial impressions, I am very, very impressed. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But until next time, peace out. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.